Hi everyone, today I'm going to be showing you the basics of using Windows 11. First, the taskbar. Over here are the different icons of different apps, and we can adjust the order of these anyway, except for this icon over here, the start button. To search for different files or apps anywhere on the system, click on the search icon to do this. This helps find different apps and files quickly. Now, the hidden icons, click over here to show hidden icons. And in this space are the hidden icons. To adjust the Wi-Fi settings, click on this logo here, and we can adjust different settings in the Wi-Fi settings. Also, it will show how much power is left on the battery. And we can see that as well directly on the taskbar of the battery power, and the amount of this is 100%. Now, the time and date over here, click, it expands to a calendar, and you can see any notifications above that. Click on the start button, and to see the amount of users on this machine, hover over this icon, and you can only see one user. Click on it. You have three options: change account settings, lock account, or sign out of this account. On the power button, click on it. You have four options: sign in options, sleep, you can put the machine to sleep, shut down, you can turn off the machine completely, and restart, you can restart the machine. You can adjust the app icons over here as well in any order. And to see all apps, click on all apps. You can scroll up or down through all the apps on the machine. To remove an app, select, right click, and uninstall, and this will remove the app off your system. Or you can pin the app in the start section. Pin to start. To find our app quickly, go to the search bar. I want to look for Notepad. Type a few letters and it comes as the best match. Click on Notepad. And we can move the app anywhere on the desktop. We can enlarge up or decrease down the box. We can do this from the corner, up or down, and from the sides, and also from the bottom. We can minimize, and over here you can see the apps that are on. It will have a grey marker underneath of all the apps that are running on the machine. Here we can expand, and then click again to decrease the box size. We can close by clicking on this X to close. Over here we can position the app anywhere on the desktop that's available. I'll pick over here, and this will push the app that was running currently to the left, and then we'll open up the next app that's running as well that wasn't used, if it's available in the option. The File Explorer is over here, which is over here on the right. I'm gonna close this, the X button. Now in File Explorer, also one thing, if I double click, I can decrease the box. Double click again, I can expand. Once again, double click to decrease, and double click to expand. Now I'm gonna create a folder. Right click in any space and go to new folder. Now to rename, click here while it's blue, and then the color will go away while you're typing. Folder 1, I'll call it. Click on that. And now you know you're inside because you see Documents, arrow, folder 1. I'm going to go backwards, back to Documents, and you see the folder 1 here. I'm going to delete it, right click, and go to the delete icon over here. Now that folder is gone. Now I'm going to create a folder anywhere on the desktop. So I click anywhere on the desktop, right click, new, folder, rename it to anything that you like. I'm going to call mine folder number 2. Click on it. The folder is empty because it's just been made. Over here is the desktop icon, arrow, folder 2. I'm going to close this. You can drag the folder into Documents directly, into any available space. Move to Documents. You can drag it back. Move to Desktop, as you can see. Now you can put it in this list anywhere here. So I want to put in Documents. So drag it. As you can see, it says here, move to Downloads, but I don't want to put it there. I want to put it in Documents. So keep going until it says move to Documents. You can see it now, move to Documents, put inside. But if you can't see the folder, don't panic. Go to the curved arrow that's going clockwise. This is the refresh button. Click. And now you can see that folder 2 has appeared. Now I'm going to delete this folder. Right click. Go to the delete icon and delete. Now the folder has been removed. Now I'm going to close this. I want to change this theme on my desktop to something different. Go to the start button, click on that, settings. Now I'm going to choose the option of personalization, click on that. And right now the current theme running is Windows Light. I want to change it to Windows Dark, click on that. Now it's changed and you can see that this has been highlighted as the current option of the chosen theme that's running. And even the settings is going to dark. I'm going to close that. The desktop is all dark. The taskbar and also the start section is dark as well. Now, to change this back quickly, right click anywhere on the desktop. Go to personalize, click, and change the theme. So I'm going to go back to Windows Light. Now, Windows Light is running because it's been highlighted in this section. In the settings section has gone back to light. There's light here again. Taskbar light. And the start section is light as well. Now I want to go to the Microsoft Store. Click on the search icon. Type in Microsoft Store. In the search bar, click on Microsoft Store. In the main page, top 3 apps, best-selling games, top 3 games, music streaming apps, and so on. To go to a certain section of apps, go to the left. I'm going to select gaming, click on that. Best-selling games, top 3 games, top paid games, and so on. I'm going to go to the entertainment section. New films, different types of films, horror, action and adventure, sci-fi and fantasy, TV and film apps. For example, over here at Netflix, over here, has different types of documentaries and movies. ESPN has different types of sports shows and live sports events. Top rented films. And there's much more in the Microsoft Store. But I'm going to leave it at that. I'm going to close this. And I want to thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned some new stuff and everything was clear on how to use the basics or some of the basics on the Windows 11. Take care.